Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to configure NFS server in CentOS. NFS is a network file system which is a server client protocol which is used for sharing the files between the Linux Unix systems. NFS enables you to mount a remote share locally. You can directly access any files on the remote share using the NFS configuration. Now we can see how to install and configure the NFS server in CentOS. For this you need to have two Linux systems. One machine is for the server and the other machine is for the client. Now I am using the server. Now we can see how to install the NFS in the server. Just use the command yum install NFS star and give enter. Now give S to download and install the packages. Now the package is getting downloaded. Now we can start the NFS services and the other related services to NFS. First we can start the RPC bind service RPC bind start. Now the service is started. Now we need to run the check config command to start the service in boot. Check config RPC bind on. Next we can start the NFS service NFS start. Now the NFS service is started. Now run the check config command to start the NFS service on boot. Now give enter. Now we can create the share directory in the server to share using the make directory command. Make directory NFS share. Now we can set the permissions for that. Can give the write and read permissions for the share directory. Next we need to add the share path in the etc export file. Now open the /etc exports file and add the configuration. Need to mention the path of the share directory in the server and need to enter the IP address. I'm going to add the entire IP range for this. And you can add the options to the share. It is read write and sync is for synchronizing for both the server and client side, and the no root squash for enabling the root privilege. Now save the file and exit. Now restart the NFS server. Now the NFS service is restarted. Now we can go to the client side. This is the client machine. This IP is 192.168.1.3. The server IP is 192.168.1.2. Now we need to install the NFS in the client machine. You can use the same command for installing the NFS service in the client machine. Yum install NFS star. Now give S to download and install the packages. Now start the NFS service and RPC bind service RPC bind start. Run the check config command. Check config RPC bind on. Next start the NFS service NFS start. Next run the check config command. Check config NFS on. Now we can create the mount point for the NFS share. Make directory /NFS. Now I am going to mount the NFS share in this client machine using the command mount -t. This type is NFS. Now enter the server IP 192.168.1.2, and next you need to mention the server NFS share path is NFS underscore share. Next you need to add the NFS mount point. Now give enter. Now it is successfully mounted. Now I am in the server machine. Now I am going to create the directory and a file inside the NFS share directory. Now there is no files. Just now I'm going to create a directory, new. I'm going to create a files 1 and 2. You can see the directory and the files in the NFS share. I am in the client machine. There is 1.3 and I'm going to list the NFS share. Now you can see the files that are in the server, and I'm going to create another directory, new one. You can see the new one directory in the client machine, and this is the server machine, and I'm going to list the NFS share. Now you can see the new one directory in the server machine too. So both the server and client is now in synchronized. For adding the NFS share permanently, you can add the NFS share path in the etc fstab file. In this way you can share your local files remotely between the Linux systems using the NFS server. In this video we saw how to install and configure the NFS server in CentOS. Please post your suggestions in the comment box and subscribe to my channel for more technology videos, and please press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. Thank you for watching.